So hello there guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing good. So right now I'm in the middle of somewhere, and the reason I'm here is to shoot a small video on my Royal Enfield Himalayan. And in this video I would basically tell y'all all the modifications or all the small changes which I've done on my motorcycle, because बहुत लोग मुझको पूछते हैं कि आपने क्या चेंजेस किए बाइक पे, कि ये स्टॉक है या आपने डाला है या वो सब. सो दिस वुड बी वन क्लैरिफिकेशन वीडियो फॉर दैट. एंड basically also because I'm planning to do more changes and more modifications on my Himalayan, so this would be a good time to do a video on the bike to compare the modifications which I've done in the future to what they were before. So yeah, and also before the video starts, I have one favor from you guys. This video is going to be shot on a different device. First I want you to watch the video fully, properly, and in the highest quality possible and on the biggest screen possible, and at the end of the video I'll have a question for you. So with that, let's roll the intro. पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं बाइक से. ये है रॉयल एनफील्ड की हिमालयन, जो है BS4 मॉडल और उसमें नॉन ABS वर्जन. यस, ये देखो, ये नॉन ABS वर्जन है. तो मुझे बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि हाउ डिड यू गेट अ BS4 विथ नॉन ABS, एंड दे डोंट बिलीव दैट इट्स अ BS4 बट लेट मी जस्ट शो यू इट इज़ अ BS4. सिंस आपको पता ही होगा कि BS4 से फ्यूल पंप आ गया है, तो BS3 में कार्बोरेटर था. तो अभी मैं आपको फ्यूल पंप ऑन करके दिखाता हूँ. ओके, टर्निंग ऑन द इग्निशन. सो या, दैट्स अ प्रूफ दैट दिस इज़ अ BS4 एंड नॉन ABS. जैसा मैं आपको पहले दिखा रहा था, ABS रिंग प्रेजेंट नहीं है फ्रंट और बैक में. ओके, सो फ्रंट और मॉडिफिकेशंस की बात करें तो ये मैडॉक्स की हेडलाइट, जो मैं आपको अभी ऑन करके दिखाऊंगा. तो ये इसके पार्किंग लाइट्स है, और ये इसकी मेन लाइट, हेडलाइट, और ये इसका फुल थ्रो. इट इज़ एडिक्वेट इनफ बट इट इज़ नॉट द ब्राइटेस्ट. So after that I've put these turn indicators which are daytime running. पीछे भी सेम है, so it kind of looks good with the tail light of the bike, and those are running type. तो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, ये देखिए. So yeah, नेक्स्ट आई हैव पुट दीज ऑक्सिलरी लैम्प्स, जिनको मैंने यहाँ पे माउंट किया है बाइक के फ्रेम पे, और यहाँ पे इनका स्विच है. सो या, आई यूज़ देम ओनली वाइल ऑफ रोडिंग एंड ओनली ऑन द हाईवेज. बाद में नेक्स्ट मैंने ये हैंड गार्ड डाले हैं, जो एक्चुअली है A-Spraker company से. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. Okay, so talking about the color first. Let the truck pass. Okay, तो ये वाइट क्यों है? क्योंकि तभी जब मैं डालना चाहता था तभी ये वाइट में स्टॉक में थे, तो I took them and I painted them black. But after a year the color went off, so I'll repaint them now, don't worry. एंड ये मेरा फ्रेंड का सजेशन था टू पुट द ब्लॉकबस्टर्स का स्टिकर ओवर द न्यू पेंट, सो डिड दैट. एंड देन देर आर दीज. सो या, लिव टू राइड. एंड और फ्रंट में क्या है? येस, ऑब्वियसली इंस्केप ड्रीम्स का ये विंड स्क्रीन. इट्स एक्चुअली अ टॉलर विंड स्क्रीन. इट कम्स अप टिल हियर, बट आई लाइक द बाइक लाइक दिस, सो I've done this. ये मेरा छोटा सा कस्टमाइज स्टिकर. लेट मी नो इफ़ यू ऑल वांट दिस. I can give you some. बाद में मेरे Rhinox के gloves, इन पे अभी मैंने recently video डाला है. I'll link it up here in the I button. Go watch it if you haven't. Next, oh yes, this horn. So what I've done for this horn is that, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but yeah, इधर देखो, ये actually में red रहता है. So I've removed the case and painted it matte black, so it goes well with the bike, I feel personally, and it camouflages properly with the bike. So yeah, these are from Minda. It's actually a pair, but वो pair बहुत ही loud होते थे, so I've just gone with one. Next, this crash guard, I got it from a local shop here. Next little modification I've done is this. This is my custom jugaad to raise the mud flap of the front tire. यहाँ पे आपके टायर के ग्रूव्स में ऑफ रोडिंग करते समय मिट्टी या फिर स्टोन या कुछ भी ऐसा अटक जाता है और आपके मोशन को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकता है. तो सो टू अवॉइड दैट आई हैव रेज्ड द हाइट एंड this costed me less than 100 rupees. If you don't believe me, check it out. There's a video on the channel. I'll put it here somewhere in the I button. So so if you decide to buy this from a store online or offline, it'll cost you around 800 rupees. So this works perfectly fine for me. I've been using it for I think around 1 month. Next, छोटा सा स्टिकर इधर, उधर और एक स्टिकर है. And on the back I don't think I've done much. This helps me in carrying a lot of stuff. I'll show you. So ये ऐसे ऊपर आते हैं और यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. For now I'll just put the gloves and show you, but you can put much more bigger things than a glove. So ऐसा gloves रखा, take it down and you have to put it back. It will stay there. और यहाँ पे ये rope है. This is for aesthetic purpose and for actual use, because अगर आपकी गाड़ी बंद हुई या किसकी गाड़ी भी बंद हुई है तो you can make use of this rope and tie the vehicle. So mostly scooters or bikes. And yeah, I think that's all I've done on the bike. I know it's not much compared to other people, but I'm happy with what I've done, and in future I'll do more of it for sure. That's my Royal Enfield Himalayan BS4 variant, and प्यार से मैं उसको लूना बुलाता हूँ, LUNA. And yeah, this is my helmet. Exor का Hunter range जो है gloss black में और gloss black with red decals. And you won't believe me when I say it, the unboxing video of this helmet has crossed 28,000 views on YouTube. Yes, 28,000 views, which is insane for me and for any young creator. So yeah, if you haven't checked that, check it out also. I think I'm promoting my videos a bit too much, but yeah, it is what it is. I had put a mobile mount over here, but unfortunately that broke, so I'll probably buy a new one. जैसा मैं पहले कह रहा था कि इस बाइक का मैंने नाम लूना रखा है, which means the goddess of moon. Why moon? Because I like to watch the moon at night. Sometimes I just go on the terrace and watch the moon at night. It's very relaxing. You should try it out. Some of you will ask me which GoPro I use. It's the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and here's the mic setup for it. The mic is over here. I clip it over here on the chin pad like this, and then it runs to here and goes in the GoPro with the mic adapter. I don't have the mic adapter right now, so yeah. तो ये था एक छोटा सा वीडियो मेरा बाइक पे, और अभी धूप बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है, so I'll probably move to a different location and shoot the next video for today. And वो तो आप ज़रूर देखोगे after this video. At the beginning of the video I told you that this video is going to be shot fully on a different device. So this video is actually shot on an iPhone 12, which my friend has, who's hiding somewhere because he doesn't want to be in the video. So I want you all to tell me if the video quality is good enough for YouTube, and also how the audio is, because right now, wait, I'll show you. Right now it is just the iPhone. I don't have any mic attached to it or nothing. Wait a second, I'll just put on the GoPro and I'll show you that. So as you can see, this is the GoPro. It is recording the phone, which is recording me. So there's nothing on the iPhone. It's just the internal microphone and the internal camera of the phone. And yes, the app is also the internal stock app of iPhone. So let me know how that how this video was to you visually, and how was the audio. So yeah, let me know if you all want to see any different kind of modifications on the bike, and I'm open for any suggestions from y'all. And I'll just put off the GoPro. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Take care and peace.